In this video, I am going to show you how you can access a USA virtual private server by your laptop or computer. For buy our VPS, if you use VPS 30 coupon code as refer, you can take 30% discount. First of all, you should go search bar on Windows, then type here remote desktop connection. Take 9 number of IP address in your VPS information that we provide you and press the IP address on remote desktop connection. Then you have to do fulfill username and password. For showing you, I press here username password of my VPS. After fulfill all information, click on OK. Then our virtual private server is open. But now most important thing, this VPS original or not. For checking this matter, you should go any IP finder website and find current location IP address of VPS. If the IP address matches by your VPS information, then it's a original VPS.